launching of anti-G gas campaign in Bulapesa, Isiolo. Community in Bulapesa, Isiolo turned in large number to empower and got information on infection of G gas. The campaign was launched by Anti-G gas CBO Organization of Women Group with collaboration of Public Health Officer Isiolo. The day was successful. 30 children and 10 old people got treated and drugs that reduce pains and cure wounds. The theme of the day was to reduce G gas in community.
Wangeshi from Isiolo in anti-G gas community. We help the community by teaching them how to live without G gas. We teach them about the cleanliness so that they may come up with a developing country without no dirt, and they live without no disease. The aim of this group, we started because we saw in our community people are not learned. They don't know the meaning of cleanliness. We saw people dying because of these G gas. We have seen even the small kids, 2 years, 1 year, they are affected on their toes, on their fingers. So they cannot live they cannot celebrate living in this life which God has given us. So us as women in Isiolo, we are really putting more effort teaching people how to be clean in their body, in their house, and so that they may bring up their kids in a good way.